Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations. How to create a new login password. Without iPhone and directly we cannot transfer, especially on any iPhones. If you have the purchase second-hand or new phones. Yes, directly you would like to transfer on here. Because here is asking connect to the internet to the sign into your device and here, you haven't inserted the SIM card along with especially you haven't connected any internet connection. However, how do you transfer the new ID directly, or how do you create by virtue of iTunes new ID? We will see here live. Yes, so see here, this is a special element here asking internet connections. There is no SIM card, so just we will go for an administrations iTunes. So now we will wait here and see here, this is welcoming fans. Here is the account. Just we will go in the account to assign it. When we create one here, create a new apply and now see here directly. Here we have the close to a Swiss line the create. So we will wait here. Now write any emails, write a password, verify password, accept the term and conditions, and select the country and we will go for continue. When we will go for continue, then surely according to the some Swiss alignment of course the protocol data further we will have to Swiss line the field and easily you can of course generate renewable ID and password is basically by virtue of iTunes and directly there will be options to other transfer. If you have the created successfully, automatically this ID would be a transfer on here. And after transferring, so no need to especially generate here. Automatically it will come on a special yes, App Store with a special assignment. So by virtue of a space like the computer, laptops, yes, in the assistance of special items directly you can create. So this is all about if you are especially if you bought especially new iPhones, that this is very easy way by virtue of a special laptop or the PC. So this is all about guys. Thanks for staying the tailline of those tutorials. Hi, this is the Technology Welfare and I will be back with a step-by-step tutorial. So don't forget like, subscribe and share this content because this is things that will inspire me a lot to the make such as this tutorial, such as a especially informative tutorial guys. Thank you. It really supports the channels. Thank you very much indeed.